one hit.
That shot what? That was you hitting over here.
Yeah,
You got two right here.
I'd have killed him.
Here, you shoot this one.